World's first Seeds on stamp was issued by Netherlands on 1st May 2007. The seed mix secured by a protective layer on the stamps contains pinks, petunias, snapdragons and lobelias seed. According to Dutch TNT Post, the use of flower seeds on stamps is a world first and was designed by Martin van Vreden. A sheet of stamps will contain 8 stamps of 44 cents and 2 of 88 cents. Belgian Post has issued a miniature sheet on the occasion of the flower and plant exhibition at Ghent. The miniature sheet features 2 blossoming flowers, Nicotiana alata and Lychnis coronaria, along with seeds on the bottom left and gutter of the miniature sheet. These seeds can be planted in the moist soil for growing the 2 plants featured on the miniature sheet. Morocco Post issued a stamp made of 100% recycled gummed paper. The stamp contains seeds of lucerne, a local perennial plant of Morocco, to commemorate the celebration of Earth Day's 40th anniversary in Morocco. The stamps were printed by SCG Paper Company, a leading stamp manufacturer. Thailand's first rice seed postage stamp, invaluable with the royal selected rice seeds for the use in the royal ploughing ceremony 2010. To honor His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej's 83rd birthday and to show gratitude for what he has done for his subjects, Thailand Post has attached rice grains given by the king to this set of postage stamps to add value to the collection. Issued on the occasion of Thay, Stamp Day, dedicated to the earth, this includes 10 stamps collector and real 5 seeds to sow. The self-adhesive Seeds of France set of 10 stamps is printed on 100% FSC recycled paper. 5 of the stamps even come with the corresponding seeds for planting. Seeds of lavender, Anthemis tinctoria, coquelicot, basil and Abra papillons are featured on the miniature sheet issued by the French Post to commemorate the flowers of summer. The miniature sheet features the real seeds of the above flowers. 5 of 10 stamps contain real plant seeds to sow. The indigenous Ghaf Prosopis cineraria has been an integral part of the UAE's distinctive desert environment and the civilization that developed here. Ghaf is historically and culturally as valuable as it is ecologically. United Arab Emirates, UAE, issued a souvenir sheet with a seed of Ghaf tree covered by tree fiber. Souvenir sheet value 40 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Total 6,000 printed with 2 stamps of 1 United Arab Emirates dirham and 4 United Arab Emirates dirhams. In cooperation with the Federal Forestry Company, the Austrian Post Office has come up with a special sachet stamp block designed by Michael Rosenfeld. In the form of a small envelope, the block contains a specially selected mixture of seeds from Austrian spruce trees from the Tyrol, the Salzkammergut, the Waldviertel, Styria and Carinthia. The mini sheet is covered with what appears to be a satellite image with a light transparent overlay acting as a mask of a cutout area depicting the shape of the country of Austria. In the upper right-hand corner of the sheet is a single €1.70 denomination stamp showing a forest scene. In 1963, Singapore Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew started the greening campaign to make Singapore a garden city by planting the first tree. Over the years, with a network of green reserves, parks, tree-lined roads and other natural areas have made living in Singapore pleasant. To commemorate 50 years of greening, Singapore Post has issued 4 stamps of denomination First Local, 50 cents, 80 cents and 1 Singapore dollar and 10 cents. The First Local stamp features Singapore's first biodegradable commemorative stamp with real flower seeds of the Portulaceae grandiflora for planting. Portulaceae grandiflora is small-sized creeper found everywhere in Singapore which thrives in full sun and requires very little water. Its flowers come in different colors such as pink, red, purple, yellow, bronze or white, with some varieties having speckled pattern petals. These attractive flowers bloom throughout the year. Trinidad and Tobago Post, on the occasion of World Food Day's 2013 theme, Sustainable Food Systems for Food Security and Nutrition, has issued a miniature sheet with the sorrel seed attached to the stamps. The sorrel was selected as the feature for the seed stamp as all parts of the sorrel is edible: the seeds, the roots, branches, leaves, the blossoms and the part commonly used in Trinidad and Tobago, the fruit, which suitably represent the aforementioned theme for World Food Day, WFD 2013. The sorrel plant is used for beverages, jams, jellies or for medicinal purposes. Jersey Post has issued a special stamp set incorporating real poppy seeds to help raise funds for the poppy appeal throughout the year. The stamp set consists of 6 stamps and a miniature sheet which feature specially commissioned paintings of poppies to commemorate the historic and significant occasion of the centenary of the First World War on 4 August 2014. Poppy seeds have been encapsulated in 2 of the designs, the 46p and 56p stamp, sealed behind a thin, transparent, biodegradable plastic cover. The stamps can be used for posting letters as usual, but they can also be planted, gradually decomposing as the seeds start to grow, producing the striking red flowers which are so strongly associated with remembrance. Special seed stamp packs containing the 2 seed stamps are priced at £1.50 and for every packet sold, 75p will be donated to the Jersey branch of the Royal British Legion. Full instructions on how to plant the seed stamps are included in the packet. To commemorate the UN-declared International Year of the Soils 2015, Spanish Philately has issued a special stamp featuring petunia seeds which one can plant in the soil along with the slogan, "Renew the soil, plant me." The image on the stamp shows the contrast of fertile soil with the food produced from it in a forest full of plants, alongside cracked, barren soil resulting from the deterioration of the ecosystem. Healthy soils play an important role in preventing droughts. The Italian Fertility Day is celebrated on the 7th of May. The aim of the stamp set designed by Cristina Chiappini is to emphasize motherhood and fatherhood, health and wellness of the unborn child. The 3 illustrations depict a mother, a father and a baby with a seed-shaped body with a germ on the top of the head. On the mouth of the crying baby stamp there are real seeds of dwarf petunia that can be planted. The stamp set shows the metaphor of life as an embryo that develop into a plant. New Zealand Post has issued a set of stamps which contains seeds of herbs, basil, parsley and chives and seeds of vegetables, carrot, broccoli and lettuce, which can be planted in the soils and grown in your own garden soil. These stamps with seeds were valid only for use within domestic New Zealand and were not available for sale and delivery outside New Zealand.